Variable persistence. When a script transfers ownership, its variables reset to their initial value. However, sometimes a variable needs to persist between ownership transfers. This is typical when an object is handed from one player to another and a variable needs to be the same for both players. As an example, the amount of charges remaining in a laser tag device should stay the same when a player hands the device to another player. To ensure that the variables keep their value when the ownership changes, a default script needs to keep track of those changes. When the world start event runs, send an event named get to an object variable. That object would be running the persistence script to store the variables. When the get event is received, send a set event back to the object with the variables that need to be persistent. When the set event is received, set the value of the variables to the parameters that were passed. Any changes made to the variables while the object was grabbed or attached need to be saved in the persistence object when the object is released or unattached. In the when object is released event, send a save event to the persistence object with the variables as parameters. When the save event is received in the persistence, set its variables to the parameters. Any event in the local script that changes the variables while the object is not grabbed also needs to send the save event with the variables.